Hello there and welcome again to my channel. In today's video I will show you the pinching method. It's a really nice method and I absolutely love it because you can do many things just by using this simple way of working with clay. I always start by wedging the clay and then I choose a piece big enough to fit my hand. And after that, I just push my thumb straight into the clay and start rotating the clay. I use both of my hands, and by feeling how thick the clay is between my thumb and the palm of the other hand, I know exactly how my walls are going to look. So just rotate the clay and pull it with your thumb and squeeze gently with the other hand. Like this. You don't need too much water. Dip your thumb every now and then, and of course if it gets too dry on the outside, you might need some water there too. I usually think that pinching is almost like throwing, but instead of having a wheel, you use your hand to turn the clay. This technique is really nice if you want to make coffee mugs, big pots, or even sculptures, because this is a great base to start with and then work from there. If you think that the rim is too narrow or too wide, it's really easy to squeeze and turn, or then you can just pinch and turn the clay to get the walls higher and thinner if you want to. I actually made 4 small cups like this just for this video, and it didn't take me many minutes. So I will cut them all into pieces to show you what the walls will look like from the inside. So this is the first one. And you can actually see what my thumb did on the inside. The second one. The third one. And one more. And as you can see, they are almost identical in shape and size. And once again, this is how the technique looks from the inside and out. Just push and pull the clay and give it the support with your hand. I am not going to cut the last one because I want to make a mug, but I close the rim a little bit just by squeezing and turning the clay. In Finland, we had an exceptional warm fall this year, so I can sit outside in my t-shirt, but my bonsai is already getting ready for the winter and about to drop its leaves. Now this is something that you can do very easily, but I will show you some other stuff that I made using the pinch pot method. So first of all, here is a small mug that I made for my toothbrushes. It's made of stoneware and I glazed it, of course. Next up is an ant with an attitude. And the whole head is a pinch pot that I closed up and, attached a few more things to it. I have a small hole so that the air can travel inside and out. Many of my sculptures are also made by pinching. So, for instance, my golf Mickey Mouse has pinch pots for the ear, the head and the body. And there are many other things you can make. But I will now show you the biggest pinch pot I made in my garden. And it's actually a big yellow pot that my wife uses for her flowers. Good luck pinching and welcome back to my channel anytime.